Hey everyone, and welcome to Crypto Wall Street. I'm Charlie Klosko. Let's not waste any more time. Let's dig right into today's topic. The project we are talking about today is Mosaic. And Mosaic is dealing with a very important problem that's evident here in the cryptocurrency world, and actually in general when you're investing. It's a general issue that comes up for every investor. And what Mosaic is dealing with, they're dealing with the problems of unreliable and insufficient data and research, and also the overall painful user experience for market participants. So how Mosaic is solving that problem is that they are actually, go down here, Mosaic is providing a data platform with high quality confirmed information, which is meaning that for you as an investor, you'll get reliable information, you'll get it up to date, you'll be able to manage your portfolio on a reliable and stable platform as well. But the key point here is the information that's important, because as I mentioned before, information is worth everything. Information here, high quality information, is the key word for good investments for sure. So all the information that's in here has been vetted, rated, checked, and the authors are verified, so you can be sure 110% that everything you read in here is true. It's giving the right image and picture of whatever it is. It's high quality, and even comments and authors can be rated in here, so you can pick and choose your the authors you think are best, and everyone else can vote on it as well. Mosaic's vision here is to be the gateway to the crypto world, where you can get data and discuss ideas with the community as well, which for me is really an important issue to deal with here. It is something that we've been bothered with in the general world, in our real world as well, over the last 5 years. I bet a lot of you have heard about fake news as well, and how we experience fake news. And the same is true here in the world of investing, and especially in the cryptocurrency world, because there's a lot of websites out there with information and news about partnerships, updates, cryptocurrencies, etc. But they're written by authors that are not verified. We do not know who's behind or the purpose of the website. So therefore, Mosaic is providing this high quality data platform for users that want to have reliable and high quality information. Mosaic is based on 3 pillars. The first one is their data platform, which has software tools, large data sets, and is an open source system, so other engineers and architects can actually make improvements and share that with the community. The second pillar here is the research network. So that has deep research, it's driven by the community, and it's also tech-based as well. Meaning that there's a lot of information and also updates that are driven by computer technology. So in other words, AR, which is vetted through real authors and verified authors as well, so that you only get information that's actually relevant and also true as well. Final pillar here is their portfolio management, so you'll be able to actually manage your investments in the portfolio system here. It's a portfolio manager. They are also going to have a meta exchange, meaning that you can log in here with your account, and then Mosaic will be connected to all the different exchanges out there, so you can actually do your trades with only log into one account, Mosaic, and then because they're intercorrelated and connected, all the exchanges with Mosaic here, you'll be able to do and perform your exchanges, your trades from Mosaic here. And they're also offering a wallet function. Mosaic is undoubtedly a high-rated cryptocurrency project because of the problems they're dealing with, and especially their profound team, which is it's a super team. I'm very excited about it. It's probably the best combination of people I've seen so far, with very impressed backgrounds, and we're going to talk about that later. But the project itself is also outstanding, and as you can see here, it's been featured at NASDAQ, BBC, CNBC, Business Insider, the Wall Street Journal, and Reuters as well. So they do have a very strong social presence as well, and have a high level of support from very established news publicators as well. Regarding Mosaic's token sale, they have a total supply of 1 billion tokens, where 75% of them will be shared with the community, will be going to the community, and the rest for the team and partnerships. So they're selling 250 million of the tokens. It started here quarter first, hard cap of 25 million. Their token is called MCX, C as in zebra, and they have a whitelist you can join if you're interested in investing into Mosaic here. Going through the white paper here, it has all the descriptions of what they're doing, the problems as well, the solution they're providing. They're very specific about how their system is built, the 3 different pillars that I talked about, what value they're providing, how the authors are identified and verified as well, how you can vote and rate different comments, posts, and authors in their system as well, how everything is connected, how they're connecting to third parties, and much more information as well that is available in here if you're interested in knowing that. What I wanted to point out is here on page 23 of the white paper, it's regarding the token sale, where you can see that out of the 1 billion, 75% of total tokens are for the community. And if we scroll down here, up here, we can see the use of proceeds, which seems rather fair to me. You know, 55% goes for the core product and technology, 15% for operations, 20% for sales and marketing. It is important, so I like that they are actually allocating 20%. It is usually a little lower from some other cryptocurrency projects, and I just personally think that's a big mistake. Marketing is everything. It doesn't matter how good a product you have, excellent it is, how big a problem it's solving. If people doesn't know about it, you gotta have a solid marketing plan, and the budget gotta be there for it as well, and it is here. And 10% for legal and other expenses. So that seems pretty fair as well. And here comes my favorite part of Mosaic, the Mosaic project. It is the team here. It's an absolutely ridiculous great team here. It's a first-class team. I mean, their competencies, their backgrounds, their academic backgrounds are just completely impressive. I'm absolutely blown away. Just to go through the core team here, there are 4 people on the core team, or the main leadership here, as they pointed out. Alex here is a tech guru. He's a serial entrepreneur. He's been working for SAC Capital, Goldman Sachs, McKinsey, and of course he's been studying at Stanford and Howard as well. Garrick Hillman here is a world-famous cryptocurrency researcher, has a PhD from LSE, London School of Economics, and he's a researcher at Cambridge as well, and has a background in a number of other investment firms as well. Alkan here is a mathematician, scientist, ex-program at Microsoft, ex-investment banker at Citigroup, and a research analyst at Howard as well, in addition to years of experience in leadership positions and technology firms as well. Finally, there is David down here. David is previous CFO of different startups in San Francisco. He's an ex-investor at Palo Alto and also at Washington Mutual Bank, and of course he's been studying at Stanford as well. Going further down here to see the technology part, you know, they're all people from academic backgrounds from Stanford, University of Pennsylvania, Columbia, Cambridge. They have years of experience in high-tech firms, very well-known firms as well. And it keeps going here and goes down to the product. That continues as well from Cambridge. They have experience from Google, SOAS, and Goldman Sachs, etc. It just keeps going here. It's a very competent team. They have very high academic background. They have experience from the very well-known international firms, and even the advisors here is a absolutely just ridiculous small group of very experienced people that have been in billion-dollar firms in the technology industry, in investment firms, in research, in information technology, and much more. This team is deemed to succeed with whatever they touch. There's absolutely no reason for why they shouldn't. So, you know, the biggest advantage for Mosaic here is definitely the team. I mean, I want to say that the idea is absolutely great and they're solving a huge problem, but the team, you know, I'm sure whatever project the team would take on, it would succeed, because this is just absolutely phenomenal. I definitely urge you to go in and take a look at the team here. It's very impressive. From a social media standpoint as well, they are pretty strong. They have over 12,000 members in their Telegram group. They are very active on Medium and post here, update that pretty often. Have over, let's see here, over 10,000 people on their Facebook page, where they're pretty active as well. And of course, they also have their Twitter account with almost 8,000 followers here, and they are pretty active in here, and people are pretty responsive, and they're interacting with people too, and they're on top of giving answers for what people are asking them. So I really like that. And finally, they're also here on Reddit. So overall, Mosaic here is solving a huge problem in the cryptocurrency investment world here by providing the database platform that we're all looking for. It has been featured in a number of huge news media publications here, and the team is just absolutely phenomenal. There's no reason to think that they will not succeed to some level or another with what they're doing here. So do yourself the favor, go to the website here, check it out, read it on Reddit or Twitter or Facebook, or be a member of their Telegram group. There's some interesting conversations in there as well. I am a member in there too and following it, so you could maybe do that as well if you're interested in it. But this is definitely one of the top projects of 2018 in the cryptocurrency world. There's absolutely no doubt about that.